Welcome to Tokentry, the no-code Memecoin creator. Every feature your Memecoin needs: buy and sell tax, auto-liquidity, reflections, anti-whale protection, burn, cooldown, and marketing wallet. 4 simple steps. Pick your chain, set your details, toggle features, and deploy. Choose your blockchain. 6 mainnets and 6 testnets available. Testnets are completely free. Upload your token logo and use the AI generator for creative names. Set your Memecoin name, symbol, and supply. The AI generates lore and descriptions automatically. Toggle the features you want: reflections, marketing, burn, mint, and anti-whale protection. Configure buy and sell taxes and set max transaction limits. Review everything and hit deploy. Your Memecoin is being deployed on-chain. Contract creation, router setup, metadata upload, deployed and verified. View on Explorer. Download code. Share with your community. Start building now at app.tokentry.io. No code. Audited, 6 chains, free testnets.